Okay, so I finished the test where I printed the same model. It's the Marvel Urban Spider-Man on the P1S versus the same model on the Snapmaker U1. Now, I did print the pedestal with this one when I didn't do that one, so there's a little bit of discrepancy, but overall, this is all the waste from the Bambu P1S. It took 54 hours, cost $19 worth of filament. The total weight of the model was 191 grams, but everything, including the supports and the purge and the model, was 952 grams. Insane waste. Versus the Snapmaker U1, 17 hours, $8 worth of filament, 200 grams, but remember I added the pedestal, and the total was 366 grams, so that's all the extra supports and the purge tower and stuff. So I think the Bambu P1S is 650 bucks new, and the Snapmaker is 850 new. Obviously buy a Snapmaker or get a H2C for 3 times the cost, but check out the time lapses. This was quite the study. Guys, buy a Snapmaker U1. This was printed on the Snapmaker as well. I think this was the Bambu. I think this was the Snapmaker, but I printed it in pieces and glued it together. I don't know. These are just cool models. That's the Marvel Urban Collection.